There's nothing more magical than a white Christmas. A beautiful wreath sprinkled with fake snow is a great way to transform your front door or home into a winter wonderland. Today, needle pointers will show you how to make a snow-covered wreath like the one you see here. It is very simple, so let's get started. To make the snow-covered wreath, you will need a wreath, any size. I'm using a small one, artificial snow, glue, a paintbrush, a plate, decorations for the wreath, and a hot glue gun. The wreath may be a bit flat when you get it, so you need to fluff the branches to make the wreath appear fuller. And to do that, all you have to do is gently pull on the branches and do them in various directions. You want some to be inside and some on the outside and in the middle, and just pull them up to make your wreath look fuller. Use a piece of craft paper or something to protect your work surface, and this will also allow you to easily clean up the artificial snow. The first thing you need to do is pour a generous amount of glue onto a paper plate. Then pour some artificial snow into a bowl. Dip your paintbrush into the glue and then gently apply some to the branches. Only do a few branches at a time. Sprinkle on some of the artificial snow. Gently shake it off, and then continue applying glue and snow until you have the desired coverage. When you have completed putting on the snow, just gently turn it over and tap it to make sure that any excess snow is off, and then allow the wreath to dry completely before moving on. The snow on the wreath is dry, so now it's time to embellish it. I have this cute bottle brush tree that I want to use on there, besides some bow and something to hang it with. So what I'm going to do is use my hot glue gun to put hot glue on the bottom and a little bit on the sides of the bottle brush tree. Then place it on the wreath in the middle, and I'm going to hold it there for a little while. Now, you may have to put some more hot glue just to make sure that it stays in place. The next thing that I'm going to do is tie some ribbon around it so that I can hang it. To do that, I'll simply put the ribbon on it. I'm going to tie a knot in the ribbon. Then, because I don't want my knot to be showing, I'm going to take it to the back and I'm going to hot glue it back here so that it stays in place. And then I will trim those ends in a little bit. Maybe I'll move it up just a little bit. I think I had it a little low, so I'll move it up and use some more hot glue just to make sure it stays there. And while I'm doing that, I didn't hot glue the tree on the back side, so I'm going to do that also right away. Now you can embellish it any way you'd like, your tree or your wreath. Now, just to hold this in place, a little hot glue. And then I want to add a ribbon to the top right here. So my snow-covered tree wreath is finished. Doesn't it look cute? Making your own snow-covered wreath is a money saver. The supplies cost will be much less than the price of a similar finished wreath at a store. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss future videos. Follow Needle Pointers on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Go to our website for more free holiday craft ideas and tutorials.